Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I've teamed up with Luvme Hair. They sent over this beautiful ash blonde blunt cut bob, and she is definitely my zhuzh. As my kids are getting older, I kind of am inching my way into my auntie era. Now, obviously I'm a mom before I'm an aunt, and technically I'm not even an aunt yet, but when I become one, I definitely will wear that title like a badge of honor. The rich auntie who gets to spoil the kids, take the kids, send them back to their moms, and do it in style. What's even more special about this bob is that it's 100% glueless, very minimalistic when it comes to the install and styling process. The lace is HD, and it's for sure a beginner-friendly install. So this beautiful girl comes in lengths 8, 10, and 12 inches, and as you guys can see, it is like the perfect length, density, texture, all of the above. I'm gonna leave the details, including a direct link on this beautiful girl, in the description box. And if you want to see how this rich auntie got the look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, let's jump right into it. Luvme Hair has some of the best packaging. I'll show in detail towards the end of the video, but for now, this is our special girl and the star of the show. Here I'm going to give you a show and tell and show you all about this wig. She is pre-everything, so you get that pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. She has a beautiful ash blonde color with a nice dark root. Here is a close-up of the inside construction of the cap with that nice detailed parting. Also, you guys can see with the nape, you can adjust the straps. So I went ahead and adjust the straps as well as the nape, and we are good to go. Don't forget, you also get combs. You get 2 on the side and 1 on the back. And this is what she looks like on. This is literally the perfect ash blonde for beginners. The darker root will definitely help you to be able to wear this one with or without makeup. And then it's also going to be an easy, very, very easy, seamless install. Here I'm showing you guys the color as well as the cut. I love this cut on me. It literally is the perfect length to like kiss the shoulders. So that way you can kind of just have that really edgy, sleek bob. I went ahead and added a little bit of my Bedeck hard head hairspray, and I'm going to go ahead and put the lace on top and blow dry on a warm setting. For me, this is going to help to bond the wig down and still be glueless at the exact same time. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and do the dynamic duo. This here is a wax stick from Briogeo. It is literally the most sleek, cute packaging on the market. Definitely a bougie splurge. I'm going to apply a generous amount around the parting as well as the hairline, and then go in with the electric hot comb on a very high heat setting. This little combo here is going to give you really a good, clean, sleek finish. It's going to make everything smooth, flat, and cancel out any frizz, and just make sure you are looking like you are a complete look, fresh out of the salon, literally. So with this step, I do take my time and I do it along the hairline as well as along the parting. And then from there, we can seamlessly transition into going ahead and silk pressing and or bumping the ends. Now, if you want a more of an edgy look, you can keep it straight and just kind of like straighten it downwards. For me, I just think it looks better on me whenever I bump the ends. Even if I just bump a little bit light, I do in this case try to bump it in the back as well, as you guys can see. And that definitely add some dimension and layers. And then well, I can't take credit for the layers, they did that themselves, but you go ahead and you bump it to give that vibe. Now that I'm done with that part, I kind of was just deciding, do I want baby hair? Do I want to put, you know, one side behind the ears? Do I want to add a feather kind of like curl to it? Just really trying to catch my vibe. And I did decide on baby hair towards the front. Now, when it was all said and done, it looked amazing, but I definitely can say that you can for sure skip that step on this one, or you can just switch it up. I think it may have look even more classy without the baby hair, but you guys know me, I love me a good baby hair moment, so I went really micro with the baby hair and made it really small, and then I dabbed out any excess of product, and then I went in and tint the lace. Ruby Kisses is my favorite. I'll have a few different things that I like from Ruby Kisses linked, and for this one I do love the cream in the shade 16 to go in and be more of a skin like lace tint. And then I went a little bit lighter with the shade 15 along the part parting, and I think that because this one is such a cool tone wig, I could have definitely used an even warmer tone like the 16 in the parting as well. It's all about trial and error. And then I did go in with the 16 powder to set the hairline. And again, I love the way it came out, but I also do think this one would look even more classy without the baby hair added. And at this point, we are pretty much done. She's absolutely gorgeous. You can definitely, again, keep her a little bit more straight at the ends for an edgy cut, but this is just more me and what I like. You can even go in and bump or curl that front piece to make it more of a feather bang. But since we're done, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. Packaging is on point with the bow and then the tissue paper. And then they gave us the dust bag, which says Love Me on it, with the Love Me melt belt, as well as the Love Me HD wig caps. They gave me this here. I'm not sure if this is an ornament or what it is. I think it's just a tag. And then they gave me the skin tape, which you can use in the parting to make it match your skin. And then they gave me a name tag, so you can put the name and description of this wig in the bag to know what wig this is. And then I got this thank you card, which also includes care instructions for your wig. Okay, love bugs, so we are officially done with this look. We got to see the full unboxing of this beautiful girl, all of the goodies they included, as well as a full detailed install, which hopefully was very easy and beginner friendly. I feel like at this point it's giving Rich Auntie vibes. Now, I have not been yet quite blessed with the title auntie, but for sure I feel like an auntie in training in this one. And I mean, I say that with the utmost respect. Like, I want to be the rich auntie in like the Nike jogger sets with the loafers, ready to hand out some dollars to her nieces and nephews for good grades and all of the above. And I feel like this one here is just getting me ready for the vibes. She's super fun for a nice little switch up, and you guys know when it comes to brown skin, Ash Blonde always does the trick in making everything look really nice, even with that dark root. You can get this one in 3 different lengths and I believe 3 different textures, and she's very nicely priced. So I believe she comes in 8, 10, and 12 inches. So yes, you can get the Ash Blonde, which I have. They also have the Ash Blonde in a blowout style, which is more of a gorgeous, look at this, beautiful fire style. And then of course you can get her like in a natural black if you just are not ready to pull the trigger on the color. I'm definitely looking forward to trying that nice blowout style next, but for now I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this beautiful girl. She's absolutely amazing. I'll have a direct link and all of the details to her down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.